We have crafted a number of engaging digital accessibility workshops that are perfectly pitched for your entire team. We cater for teams that have little or no experience on the subject of digital accessibility, to those that have more technical proficiency and need to refresh or hone their skills. Trust me when I say that no one will leave a workshop without feeling inspired and ready to become the next digital accessibility warrior. You can learn more about what each of our workshops offer on our website at kindera.uk.